Welcome to theWordBooks.com and theWord.net. Today we're going to look at the feature of installation. There have been some differences or some additions to the way you can update the Word in the Word.7 or the Word 7. Of course, you can go to check for new version. It will also auto check in the background. Now remember, this is for the Word 7. But if you are in the Word 6 and you would like to update to the Word 7, go in to make sure your current repository is official, the Word repository, and go in to Core, and it says first time users please read about information on the left. So you look over here and you can see different information about the beta. It says recommend reading the Word changelog, and you go in here and download that one first before attempting to download the Word beta. Now, I already have it, so I'm going to go ahead and close this. In the Word changelog, it says download. You can go in and you can get some different things for the Word beta or the Word sneak peek. If you have never downloaded, you will need to go to this and download it. This is for pre-existing users of the Word 6 that have not upgraded to the Word 7. If you have already upgraded to the Word 7, then go in to Core and just simply use the Word beta and it will auto update for you. If you would like to use the sneak peek version, you can also go into Core and use the sneak peek version. This is the alpha, which is updated more frequently. Lastly, if you would like another way that would provide this update, is go to the theWord7.com, and in the theWord7.com, go into the catalog, go to the Word packages. We'll let that update here in just a second. Sorry, not packages, the Bible software one here. There we go. And under there you can go into the Word Bible software, and you can also upgrade through there. You can also do it through the upgrade as well, I believe. And you can download, and it should be able to auto update using the add titles method. So this has just been a small video on how to update to the Word 7 or how to continue to update. In the future, in add titles, we'll have various things. Right now we have the beta, but there will be others like the Word release and things like that. It's a very quick and easy way to update. So hopefully this has been helpful as you continue to use the Word Bible software. Thank you.